Today on Corporate Review, join us as we explore innovative technologies, cutting-edge solutions, and timely discussions from leaders across the globe. This is Corporate Review.
Slippery workplace walkways are truly an accident waiting to happen, causing thousands of injuries and really billions of dollars in direct costs every year. Well, here today we have John Leffler, lead engineer at Slip Test Walkway Tribometers, to discuss how his company is helping organizations proactively evaluate and address walkway traction problems. John, welcome to the show.
Thank you. Appreciate the opportunity to be here.
John, how are you helping companies accurately assess just how slippery their walkway might be?
We have a device that we sell which is called the Mark 3B Tribometer. And what it does is it tests floors to see if they're slippery in a way that's correlated back to human slip research.
Interesting.
Because we don't really care if the device slips, we care if the device tells us that people are going to slip.
Okay.
So the way it works is that on the bottom of it, it has a rubber foot that simulates the shoe of the pedestrian, and we basically shoot it down at the surface and see if it slips.
Okay.
And we slowly work our way down at increasing angles until we get to the point where the thing does slip.
You could see it perfectly.
Right, so we find the point at which the test foot slips, and it's correlated back to human subject research, and there's reliability studies and stuff like that, so we have a sense for whether the floor is too slippery for pedestrians.
Fascinating.
The Mark 3B Tribometer is a portable device, so I can bring it basically anywhere, place it on the surface to be tested. If it's going to be a wet test, I can place water on the surface, and then you set the strut at a particular angle where the test foot will not slip. You activate the tribometer. It's spring-loaded, which causes the test foot to hit the surface, and initially the test foot will not slip. And then you begin to change the angle of the strut until you do get a slip, which gives you the results and the coefficient of friction. In all the experimental studies we performed on many different tribometers, the Mark 3B was consistently the strongest performer. It showed a high degree of validity and repeatability, which has given me and my clients confidence in its results.
What other services does your company provide?
In addition to selling the Mark 3B Tribometer, we do field testing, walkway surfaces. We do testing of materials that people send to us. You know, we get pavers in or floor tiles or grit coatings. We will test those surfaces for them. We also do training. We have big, long training courses that tell all the many details of this technical field, which is actually quite complicated. I never realized how complicated it was when I first started getting into it. It's just like, the more I learn about it, the more I realize how much there is to know. And we also do rentals of the Mark 3B for people that, you know, just have a little bit of work that they need to do on a property.
Fascinating. Well, I'm sure it's not the first topic on everyone's mind as they walk into a business, but really it sounds like it should be on the minds of business owners. So thanks for joining us today and explaining all this, John.
Well, thank you very much.